Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in today's video we will be talking about VIE Faucet. And this is actually a faucet where you can earn points and coins. So how does it look like? Okay, so once you will create your account, then you will come on this page which is called dashboard, and the link I have provided in video description and a little information. So click on this link and come on this page. So once you are on dashboard, then you can see these offers and how much you earn, but your account will be fresh, so you will not see all these levels and how much you have earned and since when you are a member. So these kind of information will be available after a while. So let's get started. So we just come on dashboard. Here you will find referrals, so you click on referrals and then it will show how many people are registered through your link or your partners or friends. And here is a leaderboard where you can see who is leading, who is getting or making good money or tokens or coins. As you can see here, the flag as well. Here you can see how many people are working on short links, faucet and PTC. So I'll be going through this all in this video, so no need to worry about. So here is withdraw, how you can withdraw your earnings, whatever you have got coins or points. So these coins or points you are going to change into currency. As you can see up there, you see coins, and then these are also crypto coins. So these coins or these points will be converted into this one. For example, if I'm using USDT, so it is showing this much. You can choose any other one. Like if I see BTC, it will be changed. So the coins will be the same, only the cryptocurrency coins or cryptocurrency wallet or amount will be changed. So much you are going to get into your wallet. So BTC coin, LTC coin, so much, and so on. So you can come on this page and choose the one you like. I just put on USDT, so that's good for me. The coupons are here. You can just click on here and then see what coupons are. So if you want to claim this coupon, then you just need to click here, choose the one figure which is upside down. So choose this one and then claim. So this is the way you will be able to claim this, but you need to put the code if you have a code. So if we don't have a code, then don't work on it. We'll go to the next section, which is lottery. Here lottery is automatically. How it will work, it is working like every day when you are logging in. So you will be seeing here this kind of list. So 19th of April, 20th of April, 21st of April. So you see one day, one lottery tickets they issue you. And every Sunday here, as they are saying, this lottery will be draw. And then in this draw, you will see you won or not. So I lost almost everyone. And then there is the one which I won. So this lottery I won, which was 16th of April 2025. So 2025 I won this one in April, but the other ones are lost. And some of them, the new one, they are coming up because they are in pending. So as you know, today is Monday. So Sunday I will be having a look about the results. Next section, we can take you to daily bonus. how you can collect daily bonuses. So daily bonuses are it's very simple. You need to go and then have from 2 PTC, which is 2 advertisements when you will see, and then you will be able to claim whichever will be available to claim. So just click on that button. For example, this one is working for me. I worked on that one and clicked, so it is countdown is running. I'm going to get so and so much tokens, and the information is in front of you. Reward token so much, this much here, bonuses percentage here. Okay, the next one is challenge. Once we are playing PTC, then the challenge starts. So the challenge shows here that how many PTCs you have already claimed. It's mean you have played here, and then you can claim this bonus. So just click on it and you will get 50 tokens. Okay, so this one is the next one, but it is not reaching to limit up to 50. Once I will see they are 50 by 50 or 51 by 50, then I will click here. So this bonus 150 tokens I'm going to get on top of that. So this is the way it works, the challenges. Now we come to the point which is faucet, and then here you see whatever is available right now. Okay, the limit and all other information. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, so I will bring that topic in my next video. Here you will see the offer wall. You just click and then you will see here sometimes come pop down, sometimes come the main. Just a second, I'm just going to bring the page because it looks like the page is gone, and I'm just coming back. After clicking on offer wall, we have got 2 different tabs or sections. One is list, another one is history. So if you have not taken any offer or played any offer, you will not see anything in history. So we just click on list, and then you will see this interface. Now I'm going to tell you what is about all here. Here the other faucets or other websites, they are offering to make you earn some kind of tokens. All right, so you can choose any one of them. I'm just going to choose maybe the Monlix, and I'm just going to click it. So you will see how you can watch the ads. Here is written 72 tokens you are going to get into your account. So let's see and watch this ad. So you see the green line, let it finish. Once it is finished, now it is showing that you can close this, and then you have got this much 72 tokens in your account. So now we are going to click this one. This one is 36 tokens. Let's see, and the green line is filling up to here, and then it will refresh. Wait until it will refresh, because if it doesn't refresh, then you are not going to get any tokens. So here these tokens will be added into my account. Okay, now we are going to get the third section, or the after that section, which is short links. In short links, there are, you need to click and then see 3 websites. This video will be very lengthy if I'm going to show each and every, but if you have any question, I'm here to help you out. You just try it, click it, and then go to that website, and then if you don't find the answer, just come back or write in comments. I will create in another video. here is the main thing where you are going to make most of them. So we will talk about this one, which is PTC. So PTC, once you click here, so here you can see window, frame, YouTube. So it's up to you. Normally I play all three. So right now we have got in window, two windows. So I just show you the one. You will click like this. Here you will see the timer, and once it is up, then close this one. Now just make to verify that you are not a robot. Choose the one which is upside down and verify. Here you can see the tokens are added. Same thing with this one. Sometimes it doesn't work, then you don't have to worry about, like this one is not working, just report, click here and report, auto close or redirect. Just report and that's it, it's all done. So coins you will be looking at here. You see one YouTube right now, it is available. So I'm just going to show you. Once I click here, I just go there, and now I'm going to watch that video. This is the video I'm going to watch for 5 seconds, and here you can see the timer. Once it is up, you just come here, choose the one which is upside down, figure or picture, verify it, and that's it. It's all done. Now you need to close it. The tokens are added into your account. You see, so how it is easy. The other ones I'm going to show you in my next video, because this one was only how you can make money on this website, or how you can make tokens and then convert these tokens into cryptocurrencies. So this is, I have shown you here everything. If still any question, don't hesitate to contact me. You can go to my about page and then contact me directly if you want any kind of assistance. If you have any kind of request, you can put your request in comment section, and in next video I'm going to bring that over to you. Thank you very much and have a great day. Keep watching, subscribe channel please, and share the videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.